After setting up the equipment and installing the software, we are going to proceed to the calibration process. Navigate mouse cursor to the lower right corner of your desktop, then select IWB icon. Click Installation and Debugging. 3 options will appear. Option number 1. Tuning webcam image mode. You can see the image of the projector screen must be centered in between the red lines. Option number 2. Tuning laser transmitter image mode. In this mode, you can see the exact area of our emitter coverage. Option number 3. Normal usage image mode. In this mode, after the calibration, all operation can be done by the finger or digital pen instead of a mouse. Now, go to Operation, select Automatic Calibration. Once click, wait for the calibration process to finish. You can now use the interactive projector using Smart Pen, finger, double tap GL board icon to open. Once open, here are the tools. Pen, write like a ball pen. Brush, write like a Chinese brush pen. Smart Pen, convert drawings to geometric shapes. Multi-writing mode, support 10 person writing simultaneously. Insert shape. Several shapes can be chosen, such as triangle, circle, and square. Import picture. Insert pictures from your computer. Import text. Insert text frame, then edit the words. Fill. Fill geometric shapes with different colors. Select stroke. Select the handwriting on the page and drag and zoom. Select picture. Move geometric shapes, text, and picture. Zoom in and out. Zoom in and out the picture. Pen color. Adjust color of the pen. Fill color. Choose the color to fill. Pen width. Set stroke width and line type. Eraser. there are three options: erase by stroke, erase by point, and erase by picture. Undo. Cancel the last operation. Redo. Redo the operation just cancelled by undo. Next is move. Move the edit screen. Windows. Go back to the desktop. To save a file, click Start, go to File, click Save As, then select desired file type, then click Save. To print, click Start, go to Print, click OK.